You guys look very good. Please clap for yourself. At the rate we are going at Enviable, in the next 10 years, I don't think any company in the world will come close to what Enviable is. That you should dress the way you want to be addressed. I mean, when you see leadership, it's not about age. It's not about education. It's a dream come true. What you have done in Nigeria. So one of my friends used to call Enviable the fastest growing economy. And it's true. But somebody has said, I am going to change the face of keke, of transportation, of business in Nigeria and in Africa. He has a vision and he is the pilot. You know what it is to manage 1,000 drivers? How many drivers do I have? To manage one is a big problem. And you manage these human beings, you manage the keke riders, you manage the office, the admin, and everything. Then you come to the corporate world, you manage the bankers, you manage the FIRS, you manage every other thing, and then you still see him smile. He remembers the story of how this company was built. He's even surprising himself because he's doing way than what he has planned to do, and he's becoming way more than who he thought he was going to be. And that people say, if you don't hear English, ask anybody to translate to you. Okay? When I'm going on the traffic like these days now, and you see the 4 trailers line up, LR1, LR2, LR3. Before you bring a video, they've passed. This company is in you guys' hands. All of you have done very well. My hardworking, strong, small body, big engine. The world will get to hear about us because God's hand is upon you. You have that special grace because this is like running a country. Today, Chukwuemeka Enviable Ituma deserves a standing ovation, and everybody keep shouting, keep screaming. The companies are growing. Next year, a lot of them will come. What you have done with this company is unprecedented. One day, mark my words, will be called upon to run the national airline, but we say no, we run Enviable Airline. So shall it be. God bless you all.